Hi there. Typos ruin professional document. Check spelling and correct mistakes in PDFs using Foxit fast and easy. Go to the Edit tab. Click Check Spelling. The dialog box shows suspect words one by one. The best option to change. A suggestions list for correction. Click Ignore if correction is not needed. Click Ignore All to skip all occurrences of the current suspect. Press Change to make the suggested correction. Hit Add to Dictionary to add the word to the Foxit dictionary. Click Cancel to exit the spelling check. To automate spell checking, go to the File menu. Open Preferences. Select Spelling. Ensure that Check Spelling is enabled.